Bharat Yatra, a journey from NPS to OPS. AIPTF organized a month-long campaign, Bharat Yatra, from 5th September to 5th October 2023 to abolish NPS and revive OPS, regularize contractual teachers, go for funds education, and other demands in 4 corners of country.
The journey of Route 1 of Bharat Yatra started from Silpagram, Guwahati, passed through West Bengal, Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh towards Delhi and arrived Delhi on 5th October 2023.
A press conference was held on 4th September 2023. It was an amazing yatra with support from all the national and state level employees and teachers organizations, political parties, student and youth organizations like National Federation of Postal Employees, BSNL Employees Union, Assam Circle Branch, Joint Council of Trade Unions, Assam State Bank of India Staff Association, Guwahati Division Insurance Employees Association, Bank Employees Federation, Assam State Employees Federation, Assam NPS Employees Organization, and all the teachers associations. In Assam, the Yatra was flagged off on 5th September with meeting and then welcome meetings at 5 places on the same day.
On the second day, there were meetings as per original Yatra schedule at Shivsagar and 5 road meetings were there. On the third day, pre-planned meeting was at Vishwanath and 12 welcome meetings were there.
On 4th day, the pre-planned meeting was at Nalbari and 5 road shows welcome meetings were there. The last day's pre-planned program was at Kokrajhar and 5 welcome meetings were there. After that, the road was handed over to West Bengal.
Media persons were present in all the meetings and covered the voice of our leaders and common people. Also, the police administration protected the rally all the way. I would like to thank them in this opportunity.
Meghalaya Primary Teachers Association also joined at the opening function in Assam.
There was also a theme song written and composed by Horen Gogoi.
Jaga 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 bondhu, aha aha ulaya. Jaga 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 bondhu, aha aha ulaya. Pride podhikar ajuriyalo, pride podhikar ajuriyalo. Notun pension niti batilar jatra koru, jatra koru. Puroni pension asoni ami ghurayalo, ghurayalo.
All together Assam covered 17 districts and 36 meetings.
In West Bengal, it was 7 days program. On day first, they covered 4 roadside welcome meetings. On the second, they covered 4. On the third, they covered 4. On the fourth, they covered 4. On the fifth, they covered 4. On the sixth, they covered 7. On the 7th, they covered 3 roadside welcome meetings and handed over the road to Orissa.
It needs to be specially mentioned that West Bengal already all pension scheme is given to employees and teachers. But to support All India Primary Teachers Federation initiative, they organized Rath Yatra to pass from their state. There were 31 meetings in 7 days altogether in West Bengal. The places covered Alipurduar, Cooch Behar, Siliguri, Raiganj, Bhavani Patna, Balangir, Subarnapur, Boudh, Borgor, Sambalpur, Jharsuguda, Birimitrapur, etc. In Odisha, 19 meetings were there in 9 days through the journey. The places covered with Jaleshwar, Keshari, Mangoli, Bhubaneswar, Khurdha, Nayaghar, Ashika, Paralakhamundi, Rayagada, Karaput, Malkangiri, Nabarangpur, etc. Odisha handed over the Rath to Jharkhand on 30th September 2023 at 1 pm.
In Jharkhand, they traveled for 3 days and attended 6 meetings. The places covered were Simera, Khunti, Ranchi, Ramgarh, Hazaribagh, Kanderma, Bihar, etc. They handed over the Rath to Bihar on 24th September 2023 at 12 pm.
Next to Jharkhand, the Rath travelled through Bihar. There were 19 meetings altogether in 7 days. The places covered were Ragoli, Navara, Rajgir Kako, Jahanabad, Arwal, Paliganj, Dulhan Bazar, etc.
Then the Rath was handed over to Uttar Pradesh on 30 September 2023 at 1 pm. In Uttar Pradesh, the Rath was traveled for 5 days and attended 11 meetings. Places covered were Balia, Gazipur, Varanasi, Bhadahi, Jaunpur, Sultanpur, Amethi, Raebareli, Unnao, Mathura, and then Delhi. At last, the Rath came to its destination and reached Delhi on 4th October 2023 at 2 pm, completing its glorious journey.
The India Yatra will conclude on World Teachers' Day on 5th October. I would like to thank Susan Hopgood, President, Education International, for her presence as the chief guest at the closing ceremony.